If you own a printer, you probably know this feeling. You buy a printer for $60 or $70, thinking you got a pretty good deal. But then, a few weeks or months later, the ink runs out. You go to the store to buy replacement cartridges, and suddenly, those little cartridges are almost as expensive as the printer itself. And honestly, it can get frustrating. Whether you're printing school assignments, work documents, or family photos, those small ink purchases can quietly add up. Most people don't realize how much they're spending until they actually sit down and do the math. A typical set of replacement cartridges can easily cost $40 to $60, and if you print regularly, you might have to replace them several times a year. Over time, that can turn into hundreds of dollars just for ink. Now, if you've been dealing with this for years, you may have spent more on cartridges than you originally paid for the printer. And that's exactly where things start to get interesting. Instead of constantly buying expensive cartridges, you can switch to a printer that uses refillable ink tanks. And one option worth looking at is the Epson EcoTank ET-2800. So what makes it different? Instead of using those small cartridges, the EcoTank has built-in ink tanks that you simply refill with bottles of ink. Once the tanks are filled, you can keep printing without constantly worrying about replacing cartridges. According to Epson, the included ink can print up to 4,500 black pages and 7,500 color pages. That's a huge amount of printing for a home printer. Now, keep in mind, your actual page yield will depend on what you print, how often you print, and how much ink each page uses. But even with that in mind, the whole idea is much more convenient than constantly buying cartridges. Then, once you have the printer, the setup is pretty straightforward. You unpack it, connect the power, fill each tank with the correct ink, and let the printer complete its initial ink setup. The tanks are clearly labeled and the bottles are designed to make filling easier. After that, you can connect the ET-2800 printer to your Wi-Fi network and print from your computer, phone, or tablet. And if you've ever struggled with a printer before, you'll probably appreciate how simple that can be. Once everything is set up, the next thing you notice is the print quality. For everyday documents, schoolwork, forms, and color prints, the ET-2800 produces clean and sharp results. It can also handle photos, so you're not limited to basic black and white documents. And because the ink costs much less per page than traditional cartridges, you may find yourself worrying a lot less about how much every print is costing you. Now, there's one important thing to keep in mind. The ET-2800 is not designed for everyone. If you only print a few pages every couple of months, a basic cartridge printer might be enough for you. But if you print regularly and you're tired of constantly buying cartridges, that's where an EcoTank like this starts to make a lot more sense. Finally, let's look at the bigger picture. You do pay more upfront for the EcoTank ET-2800 than you might pay for a basic cartridge printer, but the real advantage comes later when you start buying ink bottles instead of expensive cartridges. So if you're tired of watching your printer ink disappear and your money disappear with it, the Epson EcoTank ET-2800 is definitely worth considering. It's simple, economical to run, and designed to make everyday printing a lot less frustrating. And honestly, sometimes the best printer isn't the one that costs the least today, it's the one that costs you less every time you use it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more practical printer tips and buying advice.